What's the greatest aquarium invention of the last 20 years? Some might say it's the fish waste collector, but I beg to differ. In my opinion, it's the humble sponge filter, aka the airlift filter. First, let's talk about what a sponge filter is. Veteran fish keepers are no strangers to it. If you're a newcomer, welcome. We hope you'll learn something about the most important equipment in your tank. So, let us dive right in. Hi everyone, we are Fish Lab, here to unravel the secrets of your aquarium. The sponge filter, also called the airlift filter, is a filter powered by air pump that combines mechanical filtration and oxygenation. Its core mechanism relies on the airlift technology, basically air bubbles rising through water, creating an upward current, making it stable in breeding tanks for its compact size. Despite its small size, it delivers solid filtration. Now, some might ask, this tiny gadget costs only $2. How effective could it be? We've all heard the saying, you get what you pay for, but quality doesn't always demand a high price tag. To understand its value, let's first explore its evolution and mechanisms. Original models had a single intake connected to a sponge. Later upgraded versions featured dual intakes with sponge filters on each intake. And nowadays, designs include chambers for filter mediums such as ceramic bio beads at the base of the filter. Powered solely by an air pump, it activates instantly when connected. Bubbles rise through the lift tube via airlift action, creating an upward water flow. As bubbles ascend, negative pressure at the base draws in new water, establishing a continuous cycling flow. Water passes through the sponge and media, enabling both mechanical and biological filtration. Many new aquarists dive head in believing, well, I'm a natural with the tanks. Fish keeping must be in my blood, only to realize they don't even grasp the basics of water conditioning. And then there's the whole thing with the nitrifying bacteria. What makes the sponge filter truly stand out is its superior bio-filtration. Our lab test shows a sponge filter with a tubing of 12mm outer diameter and a 10mm inner diameter can achieve a flow rate of 139.2 liters an hour at 2 liters per minute airflow. That's comparable to even a small water pump, perfect for a 30cm or 12-inch tank. The sponge filter features larger intake surface compared to the traditional pumps, resulting in gentler suction, which makes it safer for shrimps and fry. Weak suction means that the debris removal from distant reaches of the tank is limited, limiting mechanical filtration, making it less ideal for larger and messier fish. This method of filtration also helps to boost the dissolved oxygen level, making it ideal for shrimp and fry. Now, heads up. Some devices may look like the sponge filter, but are actually just internal pumps with venturi tubes. These are pump-driven and not true airlift filters. They are two totally different things. So what determines and affects a sponge filter's efficiency? Hey, if you like these videos on aquarium science, please hit that like button and keep our research going. Factor 1. Airflow volume. Airflow volume is crucial to the flow rate of the sponge filter. Low airflow causes unstable lift action and reduces efficiency. But more isn't always better. Our experiments show that beyond 2 liters per minute, increase in flow gains diminish until reaching the peak flow at 139.2 liters an hour. Increasing airflow further will trigger an airlock effect, whereby bubbles dominate and water stops. While the size of the air intake is fixed, but different airflow volume can determine the size of the air bubble. At low airflow, small bubbles flow smoothly alongside the water, while at higher airflow, small bubbles merges into large clusters. Large bubbles block the tubes, causing a turbulent flow, but with peak efficiency. Further increase creates unstable bubbles. Beyond this point, air escapes and the water flow halts. Does higher airflow equal to higher flow rate, right? Let's see if this holds up in our lab. We tested airflow from 1 liter per minute to 5 liters per minute, and the result, 2 liters per minute delivers the maximum flow at 139.2 liters an hour. In a 20-liter tank, this cycles water 7 times an hour. Uniform small bubbles delivers the peak performance. As bubble sizes increase, the flow is reduced. This shows that it's not always the more air the better. Now let's talk about the 2 ways to optimize your sponge filter. First, mount the filter vertically with the outlet as close to the water surface as possible. This maximizes the tube length and the airlift, creating the strongest water flow. And secondly, adjust the airflow until the bubbles are constant and evenly spaced. In conclusion, this little device with simple design truly hides some sophisticated mechanism and impressive functionalities. We hope through this video, you've gotten a whole new understanding about it. Whether it's the filtration or the oxygenation, the sponge filter is truly amazing invention. Like a water fairy, tirelessly bringing new life into your tank. A fitting nickname indeed. Alright, that's a wrap everyone. If you've learned something today, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe for more aquarium science from Fish Lab. Your support is truly what keeps our aquarium research going. Thanks for watching and see you next time.